this is Brooklyn.
Hi, this is Trisha.
Hi, this is Chia.
And we are starting our Kahoot for the professional learning community. So here we go. How often should you meet your PLC? And the answer to that one is once a week. And I feel like this is something that people should know when entering the teaching community, to know that you are supposed to meet at least once a week and not just at the beginning of the year or once a month. And it keeps everybody on the same page and knowing what to do and what they're supposed to be doing, so that if you have an issue and you're not, that you can go to your building principal and fix that problem.
Okay, question number 2 is, when PLCs come together, what should they focus on? And the answer to this is questions related to learning and create products for student achievement. I also believe that the focus should also be on how lessons can be improved for student success, and also how, as educators, we can do better for our students. The purpose of this question is to see if they understand what PLCs do in their meetings and understand why PLC meetings are so important.
Okay, question number 3. What is one critical question that a collaborative team addresses? And the answer is, what should students know and be able to do? The purpose of this question is similar to the last, to know what important things that a PLC addresses in meetings.
Number 4, the person to assure the system that the time invested in PLCs are impacting student achievement. And that is your building principal. So that if you have any questions or concerns about your PLC, or you feel like something isn't going the right way, or you have any type of problem that you shouldn't go to the secretary, your other teachers, I would go straight to your building principal so that she will know what is going on, when it is going on, and that so that she can be sure, or he can be sure to help you in any problem that you have. Okay, number 5.
Alright, number 5, the question is, what are the components of a PLC? And the options are learning, collaborative, and results. And the answer is all of these. The purpose of this question is to know what the standards are and to know that you have to collaborate with your team members and how to help a troubled kid or how to praise students.
Perfect. All right. So that was our Kahoot. It's going to rate us at this moment. And our first and second places are Trisha. Oh, and that is the gist of a PLC. I felt like that we did a great job on these questions and how they really would help a new teacher and a new person in the education world to know that what is expected in a PLC. Is there anything that y'all would like to add?
Yes, just like what you said, like these results can be used to share what the educators or future educators know about PLCs and what they can expect so that they're prepared.
Yes, because you don't want to walk in and not know what you're walking into. And I think it's good also to have questions prepared and know who to go to for those questions. If things aren't going the right way, or if you have an issue, you can find out where you can fix that.
Yes.
Great job, ladies.
All right. Thanks. Hello, my name is Trisha Knoll. In the development of this project, I was responsible for designing the PowerPoint and the cover slide. I created a rough draft of the PowerPoint and shared it with my group members. They were able to add to it and edit it as needed. I also researched the purposes of each question on our Kahoot and how the results could be used. Brooklyn, Chia, and I discussed our thoughts about this together through Google Meet. The two questions that I spoke about in the Kahoot video were questions number 2 and 5. For question number 2, I researched the importance of PLC meetings, focusing on teacher improvement and the support of student success. And for question number 5, I researched the components of a PLC, which are learning, collaboration, and results.
My name is Brooklyn Nesbitt. In the development process of this project, I was responsible for collaborating with my classmates on the Kahoot. I researched 2 questions on the Kahoot and used Screen-O-Matic to video our process of the Kahoot and our discussions during it. Question 1 of the Kahoot was knowing about how often you meet with your PLC. Question 2 was the research for what your PLC should address during the meetings. I also was responsible for using Screen-O-Matic for the video of the PowerPoint presentation and submitting it.